Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE, Dre, whatever you want to call me, JRE, Dre. It's the same thing. You just gotta say it differently. As you see the title down below, we're gonna check out Maymay, Amakabogera. I've heard this before. I've seen this before. I just never did a reaction to it. I seen the Tagalog version. I mean, like the original version, but she made an English version. Now, if you guys don't know, I did do a collab with Maymay, and to be honest, meeting Maymay for the very first time is like a breath of fresh air. Luckily, I had some time to get to know her, and what a beautiful soul. What a beautiful person, inside and out. Love her. So we are here to check out her English versions of Amakabogera. Do I say it right? I don't even know if I say it right. But without further ado, be sure to check out all the links in the description. Go check out the music video. Go support Maymay. Let's get it in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Amakabogera. Thank you for the pronunciation. For people like me that don't know how to pronounce things. Someone who exudes unmatched brilliance and charisma, a stunner. I'm a stunner. Oh, Amakabogera. Look at her. Look at this pause. She getting her hair did, everything did, makeup done, but she don't want that because she already knows she a stunner. Oh. Oh, you know what's crazy? You look good in blonde too. Me too, though. Me too. Wait, say that? Can I go? I'm looking like how flowers bloom. I'm looking like how flowers bloom. I can't sing. Walking in the room. My aura is your favorite scene, like an everlasting dream. My aura is your favorite scene, like an everlasting dream. My God. I don't need no makeup on. Ooh. My energy is way too strong. Too strong. In my camera, 'cause you know I got that self-love. That's important, y'all. Y'all gotta get that self-love. Love yourself. You know that I don't need to follow any trend. Nope. I'm gonna be myself till the very end. I'm a couple girl. Ooh. Hey, 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 hey. Oozing with charisma. You are. Whoa. It's just talking, there's no sound. The only thing that I believe is I want to be me. Facts. Period. The way I am is just enough. You are. No icons, no fashion, please, just always natural beauty. That's a crazy scene right here. Fashion, please, like with all the mannequins. Don't need to follow any trend. Nope. You are the trend, Miss Ma'am. Woo. Hey, hey, ah, 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 ah. Damn right, damn right. You say it with your chest. Proudly. Yes, Miss Ma'am. Woo! Let's go, vocals. Oh my God. Hey, oh, she's tearing down like the mannequins. Ooh. I got to hear this live too. It's really good. Whoa. I don't even know why I said whoa to blah blah blah. I heard blah blah blah. Whoa. Ooh. Hey, hey. Hey, be yourself, girl. Oh, damn, what a shot though. Oh. Oh, okay. I'm very curious if the if the mannequins were like a couple, like maybe 4 or 5 mannequins, but it was just like rendered throughout the whole room as well. Because when I look back at it now, that can happen. You don't have to have a lot of mannequins like that. I'm just thinking, I'm thinking it from my editing perspective too, how this is shot. Like that wide shot right here, it has to be rendered too. It might be. I feel like this is real. Actually, I don't know. I don't think, are these mannequins real? Maybe not, actually. Sorry, y'all. I'm being a nerd. Oh. Wait. So out of all the ones that... Oh. She found one that has nothing on, which I mean... Yo, put in the comments down below what you guys think of Maymay Amakabogera. Amakabogera. Ooh, I can't sing. Yo, no, but like she really does ooze charisma. Like she don't need all the like the pizzazz and everything. She herself is amazing. Just be her being herself, I think, that personally. And then she could do like singing, acting. She is a stunner. Again, put in the comments down below what you guys think of Maymay's Amakabogera. I will not get into singing. Listen, yes, I might be half Filipino, but I feel like I didn't get the Filipino singing talent. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the links to check out the full music video and support the English version as well. Do you guys want me to check out all of Maymay's like past stuff? Because I can if you guys want to. I mean, up to y'all. Or like, you know, recommend me other like Filipina or Filipino artists or groups. I'm more than welcome to check it out. I don't know why I haven't checked it out since. I've watched it, but I never did reactions to it. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, might as well. I don't know why I haven't. I don't know what took me so long, to be honest. But I'm glad I'm here. All right, y'all. Keep on dreaming. Dream is dream. Believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all. Peace out.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.